Hello friends!
Hello everyone!
Welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting one. We are going to be dipping the car Persian blue. That's Performance Series from DipYourCar. If you haven't, please check out the previous episode. We dipped the wheels with new Hyper Dip. We dipped the mirrors black and glossified them with Dip Pearl top coat, and we did the spoiler black. All of this was in preparation for the masking and prep that's gonna go into dipping the rest of the car Persian blue. First things first is the fun part. We're gonna peel a few of these panels for you. This stuff's 2 years old and we're gonna show you how easy it is. It'll all come right up. If there's any little edges, we're gonna clean that up with dip dissolver and reset this car, and then we're gonna do the prep. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. To me, this looks fantastic. This is the first time I've had everything blacked out with the Stormcloud Pearl. Oh God, it hurts. This is kind of the objective here. You wanna rip this down the middle, and you can see it's not hard to do that. Just go back and forth. That way you have even material to work with on both sides, because you wanna be able to pull the dip towards the seams. Grab, pull away from the edge. Pull away from the edge. This is the cool part. Now, we're just gonna pull this down. There you go. Watch, when you come here to the edge, just comes right, oh, I almost flew back. You come right to the edge. Look at it. All right, Kayla wants to do some peeling. Yep, we got it. All one piece.
Very satisfying.
So Kayla noticed this is a little fleck, and you can see a couple of these. This is where road grime and little rocks and pebbles, they fly up on the highway. That would start chipping your paint. But look at this. It did hit the dip, it tore it back a little bit, but there's absolutely nothing under that. Dip, when applied thick like this, can absolutely protect your OEM finish. The peeling is complete. 3 to 4 hours is about what it took for the two of us, taking our time, panel by panel, piece by piece. See if the big girl starts. We're gonna have to take her outside. Now we're just going around with some microfiber and dip dissolver. And we're cleaning up all the edges where there was overspray between the seams, around the doors. When that's complete, it's time to mask and clean it up with pre-dip and get ready for the job. Well, the devil's in the details. This is what makes or breaks your project. It's the prep, the masking. 2 bolts and these taillights come out. I always take them out, and then I just dip over all of this so it's nice and thick so it's peelable. These are all big gap edges. They do not have to be peeled when wet. Anything that's yellow is peel when wet. This car is very challenging to dip. Anybody that's got a Veloster that's thinking about this, it is a challenging car. I've done this a couple times, so I've learned from experience what all the tough parts are. And stuff like that is why you need to give it one more wipe. Just from the masking process, got fingerprints and stuff on the car, and you don't want that down when the dip starts going on. It's time to start putting base coats down. We've got 2 gallons of Avalanche Gray. That's what comes in the Persian Blue Pro Car kit. I'm really nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. We do this every time. It's never not nerve-wracking, but it's easy and it always comes out perfect. That's the beauty of dip. I just overthink it. Here we go. We've got 4 heavy coats down, avalanche gray, I forgot what the color was for a second, and I'm gonna show you the real side of dipping here. That's an accident right there. The hose just went clunk right into the side as I was doing the hood. You could barely see it. I promise you, that is not going to survive 4, 5 heavy coats of top coat. It's gonna even itself right out. Take a look. It's easy. This is DIY friendly, you guys. Just watch what you're doing, take your time. It's pretty much a matte version of our car. All right, on to the top coats, Persian blue. Guys, it's done.
It's beautiful.
It's completely done, and we're kind of speechless. This has to be the most vivid color I've ever seen. I'm talking clothes, house, paint, car, like the most vivid color. We're gonna go outside in just a moment and take a look at the completed car. Now remember, this is Hyper Dip down on the wheels, Shadow Black and Dip Pearl top coat down on the mirrors and the spoiler, and the whole car is done in Persian blue. That's Performance Series. So this thing is a genuine dip mobile, and I couldn't be happier with it. As a result, we have decided to don our Dip Your Car shirts.
They're dipping shirts.
They are. These are our dipping shirts. We're gonna have to get some more. I love this company. We got these with our very first pro car kits. Dip Your Car. You guys are amazing. Your products are amazing. Fonzie, all of you. It's amazing what you have done. This has to be one of our favorite hobbies of all. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was entertaining. Maybe some of you will decide to do this because you've seen this. Let's go outside, take a look at the car. We'll see you on the next one.